As you can see, my hair is growing and I'm so happy about it. Well, my shape is a bit growing out, I think, but sometimes I do cut a little bit of the shorter part. Wait, I will show you how I do it. My favorite. This is a professional scissors. I really recommend to use it and not a normal scissors. Well, I don't want to cut too much because I promised myself I wouldn't cut off any parts anymore. But this one is a little bit frizzy at the end and a little bit stringy as well. That is very important too. I don't know if you can see it. It is stringy and I think nobody wants stringy ends. It doesn't look that healthy when it's stringy at the bottom. And I also always feel at my ends when I'm watching TV or watching my favorite Netflix series. And when I feel any bumps or knots, like I feel here, I think it isn't, you cannot see it on the camera. No, but you can feel it. And that are the parts that I cut off. Like, there is a, no, that one is okay. And really make sure it is a true minimal amount. Only this much that I'm cutting off. And that is how I try to keep my hair healthy. But I want to tell you what I do to promote the hair growth. Now,